Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a battery when you are having a key like this, and also when you are having an indicator in your dashboard that the battery is down. Then you go to the any corner store or any AutoZone or any kind of auto shop to get a battery, which I'm going to show you how to select the battery. Okay, this is how to open the key. Now first I'm going to show you how to open the key. Okay, I'll place this guy here. Okay, so when you're having a key like this, then hold this button, then take the key out. Okay, like this you can take the key out. Then once you take the key out, then you slowly insert this and crack open it up. You get the click sound. So okay, this is how you go and see the battery inside. Okay, there is a battery number written down, so you have to get the similar battery from any corner store. And once you get the battery, I got this one from Walgreens. Okay, so once you get the battery, take the battery out. Take the voltage battery out and put it inside. Yeah, again you close this key until you get the click sound on both sides. Okay, then you can insert the key and you're all set. This is how you replace the battery. You select the battery number and go to the corner store, get the battery, open it up without using any tools, and put the battery and close it. That's all. Easy, is it?